friends, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jen. I do all sorts of unclothing boxes, from styling services to shopping hauls, but either way it is all about clothes because I love them and I think they're fun, and I think it is just so exciting to get new clothes. And if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. I would greatly appreciate it. For you returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back. I very much appreciate it. And let's get into it. So today, shopping haul. I have 3 different stores that I shopped at, but I'm doing them all as one video because 1, I didn't get that many from each place, and 2, they actually kind of work together to put together outfits, so it's a lot easier for the try-on for me to be putting them all together. So I started at New York & Company, and I have already posted a New York & Company video, and that was actually my second time shopping there with the cash that I earned from this shopping haul. So I'm going to go through what my first visit to New York & Company. Then I did Kohl's because, again, I got some cash from when my husband and I did some shopping at Kohl's. And then Charlotte Russe because, I don't know, I must have seen an ad. Unfortunately, the cash and the emails with all the discounts and things like that, they all work on me, and I just am spending too much money. So I am trying a new background today because I know my couch is kind of an awful background since it's such a dark couch. My husband and I are going to be cleaning out a spare bedroom that we have and making that into kind of a whole studio room. So hopefully that'll be a cool setup. But until then, I'm trying the bedroom to see how that looks. So bear with me as I get my whole setup figured out. I'm also looking for a new camera because this one I have is cheap and crappy, and I need something better. So if anybody has any camera recommendations, I would greatly appreciate that. So comment below. And okay, now let's get into it. So let's start with New York & Company, and basically with each one I will take everything out and then we will go through all the pieces. Okay, the theme of my New York & Company shopping haul is bottoms. So I ended up with skirts and pants and no tops. So, and again, this is why I'm doing all these boxes together, because I have some tops in the other ones, and that just helps with the try-on. So first off, we have this white pencil skirt, and it is called the CB pencil skirt. And I'll just give you guys the price that I paid for things, just because certain things are discounted and whatnot. So this was $29.97. I wanted a white skirt that I could pair with different tops because I have a lot of new summery tops that look great with white skinny jeans, but how often do I get a chance to wear white skinny jeans? So now I can wear them to work with skirts, and in my last New York & Company I got a pair of white dress pants as well. So I did not know that it was going to have an orange band. I didn't notice that. I thought it was just part of the stylist or the model's shirt. So that was a surprise, but the good news is that this is high-waisted, so I was able to wear a longer shirt over this, which I have worn this a couple times already. So this I was really happy with. Second of all, we have, this is called the Ellie Pant, and I got it for $9.99, and it was a final sale, so there's no returning it. And it's an olive pant. It kind of has that paper bag waist, but it is a, you know, a stiffer material. It's not denim, but it's kind of a maybe twill, we'll say. I'm not really sure what this material is, but that's this piece. And then I bought a couple pairs of jeans. They had buy one get one $5, and they had this new brand on there. I don't know if it's a new brand, but it was a new brand to the website, and it is the Soho jeans. So I got this is the runway high waist legging, and it's with super stretch, and this is just a plain non-distressed, oh, and they're petite, which is always awesome, dark jean that I thought would be nice to have. And then the second pair of jeans is, again, but this runway high waist curvy legging. So, and this has some minor distressing on here. It's a lighter wash than the other pair, and these are also petite. So I think these are really cute. So like I said, it was buy one, get one for $5, and one pair was $65. So essentially they average out to $35 each. So that's my New York & Company. Let's go to the Kohls next. Okay, next up we have Kohl's. So we have this 3/4 sleeve green top with the button sleeve shoulders. I just thought that, or sleeves, I just thought that was an interesting detail and just a cute fall type shirt, rounded hem on it. And this was $19.95. And then we have this tank, just a simple kind of plaid type pattern on the front, and it is a mixed material, so it's kind of I say a polyester on the front and then a cotton on the back, and just has this cute zipper detail, these fake pockets up front, and then a zipper down the front. And I just thought that was a cute shirt to have. And this was $14.40. Then we have this sheath dress. I am looking for more business looking dresses, and so we have this maroon one here, and it has, I believe these are real pockets. Yeah, it has real zipper pockets in it, which are very cute. So this is $34.99. And then a necklace. I think I got the necklace to get me to the free shipping. So it was just a long, let's get this out. Oh. It's just a double layered necklace. So the first layer you have some beads there, and the second layer you have the butterflies. So hopefully I'm holding this up in this camera correctly. So I just thought it was a cute little necklace. And then lastly, we have a pair of shoes. We have some peep toe shoes with the perforation on it. I just thought those, I've been looking for some heeled sandals. I'm not sure that these were exactly what I was looking for, but I definitely wanted to try them. Yeah, that is my Kohl's shopping haul, and now let's do the Charlotte Russe. I did forget to mention that the necklace is $5.60, and the booty, or I guess yeah, it's called the chop out booty. The booty is $44.99. First up, we have the Ponte, I don't know how to pronounce that, Ponte collarless crop blazer, and this is $20. I just wanted a fitted cropped blazer, and I liked the idea of getting one in a blush color. I got a similar one, I thought was red, but this is actually more of a burgundy, I guess I would say. And same thing, but this one is actually $26.40. So, and then I got this bodycon midi skirt. So this was cheap. I think this was just $8.39. So this was quite cheap, but I figured out why it was so cheap. And it is because it's got this clip seam here all the way down the front. So I'm gonna hold that up, and there, oh, you can see skin through that. I don't understand how this is a thing. I mean, you're gonna show your underwear, or am I supposed to wear a slip under it? That's what I'm gonna try, is a slip under it, but I can't wear that. So we'll see. We'll see with the slip on, but maybe it won't be so bad. Okay, and then we have the couple pairs of booties. So I got essentially the exact same pair in two different colors. So in black, this is the wrapped buckle ankle booty, and it is 1980. And I didn't have any booties, and I knew that I could easily pay way too much for one in a styling box or try to find a pair cheaper myself. So I am very, very excited about these. And then again, the same thing in a brown, I guess I would say, and this is the double harness ankle booty, and it is 1979. So really excited about these. I mean, 20 bucks each for these booties, and that's an amazing deal. They feel good quality. I mean, I'm sure they're not actual leather, but I'm good with that. And like I said, they feel good. They look really cute. So I'm very, very excited about these. So we have a lot of items here to try on, but like I said, a lot of these work together, so we'll try to do as few try-ons as possible. Thank you guys for bearing with me, and let's get this clothes on. Okay, first off we have booties and shirt from Kohl's and skirt from New York and Company. The booties are actually a little bit big, but I looked at the receipt and I accidentally ordered a wide. So I will have to exchange these, but other than that, I think they're really cute. I like them. Hopefully you guys can see them. The skirt fits great. I really like the skirt, and like I said, I can wear a shirt to cover up that orange until maybe I'll find a shirt that matches that orange. I don't know. And the shirt is cute. It's just a nice fall shirt. There's nothing really super special about it, but it is very comfortable, and I like the dark green color of it. So I think these items are a success. Let's try on the next outfit. Outfit 2, I have the booty and blazers from Charlotte Russe, pants from New York Company, and shirt from Kohl's on right now. The booties, I really love these. They're very comfortable, and I just think they're super cute. So I'm feeling like very trendy in this outfit right now. So I'm kind of excited. But anyways, the pants, they are awesome. They got a ton of stretch. I actually tried a smaller size than usual just because I was curious. And while they're probably smaller than I would like, they have enough stretch that I can still squeeze myself into it. And these are the curvy legging ones. And I love the waistband on them. Absolutely love the waistband on them because there's no gap here whatsoever. It's just comes up and cinches in at the waist, and that feels really nice. I feel very secure in these, and I think they're really cute. The tank is simple, but I really like it. I like the pattern on it. It fits really well. It's cute. Definitely like that. And then the blazer fits perfect. The sleeves aren't too long. I love the way it just drapes here, and I think it's super cute. Kind of love everything I got on. So very excited about this, and let's try on the next outfit. Next outfit, again, I have the booties and blazers from Charlotte Russe and the pants from New York and Company. Booties exactly the same as the black ones, so they're great. Blazers same one as the burgundy one, so it's great as well. The pants are these, I called these high rise before because that's what the tag said, but the tag was wrong. So these are actually a mid rise, and these are not curvy leggings. They fit well, but after having a high rise on, they feel like they're low rise. So I feel like I'm like yanking on them. So I do like the other pair of pants better, but still these are a great fitting pair of pants. I like the dark wash of them. So another successful outfit. Let's keep going. So these pants are kind of horrible. Just absolutely horrible. There's nothing flattering about these. They kind of go straight up. There's not a lot of shape. They're loose, and crotch hangs down, and I don't even like the bottoms of them because they're just kind of wider, and these are horrible. So I'm glad I only paid $10, but I can't take these back. They'll get donated or thread up or something. They're not great. So, okay, next item. Okay, so the only way I could think to wear this skirt is to put a slip underneath it, and I'm surprised I still even own a slip, but I do, thankfully. So I have that underneath it, and so you can see white all the way down here for this. That's the only thing I can think of. I think that this is just something that is going to have to go back. I just didn't expect, oh, I have that twisted. I just didn't expect to have this weird open seam all the way down. I just don't understand why that's a thing. Okay, I think I just have one dress left. Last up, I have this dress, and it's just big, just way too big. So I don't know if that's supposed to be the style. Again, it's the smallest size, so I'm not sure what the plan was for it, but it is big. Although the zipper pockets are cool. I do like that. So, but this piece will have to go back. Okay, let's recap. Okay, friends, that is it for my haul. I really appreciate you guys sticking around throughout the whole thing. I think everything except for this dress, the skirt with the weird seam up the front, and these green pants were a success. So these will go back or be donated. I had a lot of fun with all these shopping items. I can't wait to wear my new booties and jeans and blazers. So excited about all of this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe below. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really appreciate it. All right, thanks. Bye.